Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make keto chicken salad. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, which can be leftover rotisserie or freshly boiled. We'll also use 1/2 cup of full-fat mayonnaise, 2 stalks of crisp celery, and a touch of low-carb sweetener. These foundational components will create a delicious and satisfying base for our low-carb meal. Now let's get our ingredients ready. Start by dicing 2 celery stalks into small, uniform pieces. This adds a wonderful crunch. Next, finely chop about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley to brighten the flavors. For the chicken, you can shred it using 2 forks or cube it into 1/2-inch pieces. Aim for about 2 cups of cooked chicken, ensuring it's cooled before mixing. The dressing is key to a great keto chicken salad. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of full-fat mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Stir in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for a subtle tang that balances the richness. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, adjusting to your taste preferences. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. Now for the fun part, mixing it all together. Add your shredded chicken, diced celery, and chopped parsley to the dressing. Gently fold until the chicken is evenly coated. For best results, cover and chill the salad for at least 30 minutes. This allows flavors to meld beautifully. Serve in crisp lettuce cups, on keto-friendly bread, or with fresh cucumber slices for a perfect low-carb meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.